Okay, in this training tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use and set up your domain if you purchased it somewhere else outside of Squarespace. So if you already have a domain that you've been using somewhere else, maybe GoDaddy or another platform, I'm going to show you how to connect that to Squarespace to get your Squarespace site live. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Squarespace settings and then go to domains and email here. And you don't want to go to get a domain because that's going to ask you to purchase a domain through Squarespace. You want to use the use a domain I own and just follow the prompt. So this is just an example website, and you put in your domain that you already own, and it should pop up where it is registered and the date. You then you can either transfer the domain from GoDaddy to Squarespace, so you're then housing it in Squarespace, or you can keep your domain housed in GoDaddy, for example. So for this example, I'm just going to show you how to connect the domain, keeping it through GoDaddy. So you're going to click this button here. I don't want to do this because I don't want to mess anything up with this other site, but you're going to click this here, and it will then give you two different, they're called name servers, that you can copy into your GoDaddy account. So I'm going to show you that now. So then you want to go into your GoDaddy account, and you want to go to the domain and then click on DNS and then name servers. And this is where you're going to click change or add name servers, and you're going to copy from Squarespace the values that they give you and put them into here. So 1 and 2. And then you're going to click save. And then you're going to follow the prompts, and it's going to ask you to connect, and it will say something like pending or working on the connection. And it may take up to 24 hours to actually connect this site. Sometimes it's a lot quicker, but it actually needs to verify that it will work. So test that out, follow the prompts that Squarespace asks you to do, and you're going to have to go into your GoDaddy account or wherever you host your domain and add those name servers that Squarespace gives you. So that's how you will keep your domain with another company, and you just still continue to pay the other company to house your domain, but it will then work with Squarespace so that they are connected. So hopefully that's helpful. Please reach out with any questions, but if you have any issues, just let me know, and hopefully you will get your site connected.